So yan, malapit na tayo sa Taal Volcano. We will going to have boat ride. Yes, Mitty is really excited.
Yeah, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. So right now we are in Makati with one of my friends, Anna and Jason. Hi guys. We have met before like 3 years.
Yes.
And now finally we are meeting again. We are going, where are we going to next?
Tagaytay. Picnic Grove.
I'm not creating vlog for the night club. So this time I'm more focused on the like nature thing. So we are going to Tagaytay and we have taken the taxi. So I'm excited for it. Let's go. So guys, right now we are going Tagaytay, as I already told you. So let's introduce she's my friend and his friend is like Jason. So Jason, tell about yourself in the vlog. So people.
Tagalog? No.
Well, yeah, you can speak in Tagalog. It's okay. Then tell me in English also afterwards.
Alright.
The people who are watching from the Philippines, so they can know. You can speak in Tagalog for them.
Alright. Hi, kamusta? We're going now in Tagaytay.
Okay.
Yes, with our friend Vidlesh.
Okay.
Yes.
I used to go there before
With your love?
my ex, but now I'm going there with my friends.
Yeah.
Okay.
With my best friend.
So he's more happy that he is going with your friends lah. Before he was going with the ex. So you, what happened whenever
Exactly.
Yeah. What happened whenever whenever we go with our ex or anyone na, we have to be together, just take a pictures or have a food. We can't like we see each other. But when there is a friends, they can do naughty things. They can
Yeah.
Worth it. Everything is worth it with
Yeah.
friends.
So we are more excited for it and we're gonna show you
We're
Tagaytay.
excited!
Woo! How to
Yeah.
say in Philippines like we are very excited.
Ano ba? Sa Tagalog. Nasasabik na kami.
Sabik na kabe.
Nasasabik na kami.
Okay, that's the same thing I said.
It's 3 a.m. You got me waiting for your love. I'm at the corner of the club. It's pouring down, but I won't. No, I won't budge. I'll call your bluff. You think you're tough, yeah. So go ahead, come and put me off. Bring all your friends so they can watch. You're drunk dialing up the phone, so here I am at 3 a.m. You got me looking crazy, baby. These wicked little games you play, yeah. So step up to the plate, don't wait. It's 3 a.m.
We are at Picnic Grove now finally. Woo.
Hi!
So we're gonna show you Picnic Grove, what is there and what you can do here.
Yes.
Selfie.
Yeah.
She's
Later.
ready. She's ready with the selfie stick.
Yeah. I'm ready.
And you are guys looking like a couple, wearing red
No,
red.
we're not. We're just best friends.
But I can say like people like a couple, they can come here for the romantic
Yes.
dinner, like a romantic time. They can get hotel stay there.
Yeah, hotel stay.
Do the hanky panky and enjoy. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane.
ताल लेक जो फेमस आइलैंड है, इसमें मतलब ना आइलैंड के अंदर एक आइलैंड है, तो ये बहुत फेमस है यहाँ पे. What do you want to say? How you feeling?
It's feeling refreshing. Very relaxing here.
Jason is already visited here. For me also, I have also visited here before, but it's new for her.
Yeah, it's new for me. Which one do you want? The yellowish or
Yellowish. What do you? Which one we should take it?
yellowish?
Which one will be more?
More sweet.
I like the lighter one.
Dali lang.
First back riding, ma'am. Sasakay tayo sa kabal.
What is this?
That's ano ba yung bagong
Shrimp fish.
Shrimp paste.
Shrimp paste.
I thought it's fish.
Salt.
We are eating a mango.
Yeah.
Hold it.
Alright.
ये मतलब ना यहाँ पे मैंगो है, अपने इंडिया में भी रहता है, मगर यहाँ पे ना ये लोग अपनों के साथ नमक के साथ खाते हैं ना, तो आई एम टेलिंग दैट ना they eat with salt, but this is something else.
Shrimp paste.
Shrimp paste.
I prefer salt.
I also
You
want
try it
salt.
out.
It's tasty. What
More
about you?
tasty.
You are not having?
It's okay.
Mine is too sour.
Mine
Too
too.
sour. Oh, this one? Sour?
But it will be more sour.
Yeah, this one.
But like Tagalog?
Manggang kalabaw.
Yeah.
Mangan Kalabaw.
Mangan
And they are
Kalabaw.
having a Mangan Kalabaw.
Yeah. Yeah.
Soon I will learn the Tagalog language because I am going to stay here.
Yeah. With us.
Yeah, with you. Jason and me are not taking any pictures, huh? But Anna is busy with the pictures only. We are going to zip line.
I'm so nervous.
No need to be. I am there to take care of you.
Yeah, Meety is there. Meety is there.
But don't trust on me. I was just kidding. We are ready for it. Jason will go by lying. Let's go. Oh, fuck.
Oh my god!
Pay 300 peso and you get a double ride, na?
Yeah,
Two ways.
wait.
And 200 peso one way.
Lie down or sit down?
Sit down.
Sit down. Lie?
No!
What do you say?
No!
Sit down?
Dalawa?
Oh,
Lie.
Sit
Let's go, let's fly. Ay, Diyos ko po! Ay! Ay! Pili kaya ako na! Saan ba pwede yung mama ko?
Jason!
Saan pwede? Saan ako?
Yan, hawakan mo sa kaya mo.
Ah!
Oh my!
Oh my God!
You got me looking crazy, baby. These wicked little games you play. So step up to the plate, don't wait. It's 3 a.m., so here I am. Oh, you're crazy, crazy. You're bullseye out of your mind. You're crazy, crazy. In every way I can find you.
अगर आपको जिप लाइन यूज़ करना है तो आप कर सकते हो। उसका चार्जेस है 300 पैसो दो साइड का, और एक साइड यूज़ करोगे तो 200 पैसो। तो मैं एडवाइस दूंगा अगर आप यूज़ करें तो दोनों साइड यूज़ कीजिए ना। अगर यहाँ से वहाँ जाओगे तो रिटर्न तो आना ही है, तो चल के तो जा नहीं सकते, तो रिटर्न आने के लिए आपको 300 पैसो पे करना पड़ेगा। So Jason gonna introduce about the food. What we having Jason now?
We have chicken lollipop.
Okay.
That's how it looks.
Okay.
And we have chicken sisig.
Yes.
Chicken
with
sisig.
egg.
That's my favorite also. I like chicken sisig. It is the most top beer in Philippines. What do you say?
Red Horse beer.
Yeah, that's my favorite whenever I'm here. Red Horse or otherwise Celtic. In India, na, we don't put the ice in the beer, you know?
Here
Because
we
it's...
make it with more ice.
Yeah.
It's more delicious with more ice.
So let's cheers for meet up Jason.
Cheers. Cheers, everyone.
Cheers to India, cheers to Philippines.
Not this week.
Alright.
You like it?
Yeah. So Jason has some question for me. Let's ask him. What is the question, Jason, for me?
So what do you do apart from traveling and working in India?
Okay. So he wants to know about what I am working in India. So it's like I'm working for the multinational company. It's like as a senior process associate, I have like a import for the Canada. All the shipping which is coming to Toronto, Montreal, Vancouver. I need to update it. All the process. I need to handle the presentation and everything. मतलब मेरा लौड़ा.
Same.
It's like the job. तुम लोग समझो यार, मुझे जो जॉब करता है ना उसको मानो कुत्ते जैसी जिंदगी है। तुम किसी के लिए मेहनत कर रहे हो, पूरा साल काम करते हो, एप्रिसिएशन में क्या मिलता है तुमको? 10% का एप्रिसिएशन रहता है जो होता है। अगर तुम्हारी सैलरी रहेगी 15,000 20,000, 10% होता है 1500, उसका भी वो 1500 रुपये भी नहीं बढ़ाते हो लोग, 700 800 ऐसा बढ़ाते हैं। उसमें आपका टिकट का भाड़ा और ट्रेन का भाड़ा नहीं निकलता है। तो काम की लाइफ ही ऐसी है, क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग ऐसे कि मेरे को मालूम है कि मैं कितना मेहनत कर रहा हूँ, कितना हार्डवर्क कर रहा हूँ। यूट्यूब से तुमको बहुत लगते रहेंगे पैसे आते रहेंगे, मगर यूट्यूब से पैसे नहीं आते हैं। मेरे तो आधे ज़्यादा सॉन्ग्स रहते हैं, मेरे गाने रहते हैं, म्यूजिक रहते हैं, तो उनको अर्निंग्स वहाँ से नहीं है। I'm telling that people may be thinking that I have lots of earnings from the YouTube, but it's not like that. In Joyna video, you should see that song. वो song की वजह से मेरे को Joyna के वीडियो में भी 1 मिलियन व्यू, मगर 1 रुपया भी मेरे को नहीं आता उससे. I know that a lots of people want to know about the Joyna, that where is she, I am meeting her or not. So this time, Jensen also now seen the video of Joyna.
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
She's very natural girl. She nailed it. Like, she's beautiful.
Yeah, the way,
I like her attitude.
the attitude and the simplicity.
Yeah.
Very simple.
Yeah, but the way she's walking around, she know everything. It was
Yeah,
like my best moment in Philippines last time. That's why I told you that in the Philippines people are very friendly and like open heart. And this time I am not meeting Joyna because Joyna is not available in Philippines. She's already have visited for a business trip. She's not in Philippines, so I'm not gonna meet her. So I want to clear it because lots of questions will become. Why you're not meeting Joyna? Joyna is not in Philippines and not in Asia. She's not there, so that's why I can't meet her. Maybe in future we will meet.
Yes, we'll be together with Joanna. Hi, Joanna.
Anna is a big fan of Joyna
Yes,
because
I'm
she
proud
likes.
of you.
She likes her videos and
See you
everything.
soon.
Include me as one of your fans.
Yeah.
I'd like to meet you someday.
Yeah.
We are already together. Okay, Joyna fan.
We're Joanna fan.
Okay, I don't mind.
I want to be with you
And
someday.
Niti, of course.
Maybe we can dance together like that.
Kuya Daniel is our tour guide for the boat ride.
Hi.
Siya, kuya. Vlogger siya. Yeah.
Soy ba yan?
Yeah, ito soya. Yes. Many people has favorite that food.
Jelly sauce.
That's only one flavor. Only strawberry, kuya.
Meron regular.
Okay na. Strawberry. We will try.
Good luck, Niti. Good luck. I hope you like it.
I'm sure that I will like it. I like everything about Philippines.
Yes, thank you so much. Still hot.
Like me?
Like Mitty.
You will need to use a straw for that.
Straw, spoon is not there.
Yes.
Yeah, it has. You will get
straw.
a straw. Yes. And you will just sip that. It's really sweet.
So tell us, how does it taste?
It's nice.
It's
Alright.
nice.
I
In
told
30
you.
peso, what else you want? It's so tasty.
It's so tasty. Thank you, kuya.
I think I don't need this straw. It's better I use it.
That will be better.
Because so little amount is there. You want to try?
Oh, let's try. Let's try. It's my first time too.
Yeah. You never tried? How is the taste?
It's good.
She never tried and she want me to try. We are going to boat ride. We are
Yes!
excited for that. Woo,
We're
Jason.
excited.
And now temperature is going down. Little bit more cold.
Yeah.
Jason.
It's a little cold now.
Yeah.
And we're with our tour guide. He's Kuya Daniel.
Woo,
Say
it's
hi,
taking-
Kuya Daniel.
She's speaking like she knows everything. We don't need a tour guide. Yeah.
We're
Next
going
time,
now to Tal Volcano.
all the people who are coming from the India or anywhere, contact Anna. She will tell you all the things that you need to do in Tagaytay. About the food
I
and
think she knows that.
yeah. He's already visited. I have already visited
Yes.
2 times here. But the way she's explained, see, I've
First
never
time.
see, first time here. Then I was like, oh, go right way, left way. This is the place you need to eat this food.
Let her be the tour guide.
No!
You can be a tour guide for the next people who are coming from the India. All the India people can contact her. I will message like mention her Instagram ID below.
Alright. Thank you.
But for the tour guide only. Otherwise, the people will message for something else. Let's go for the date.
Tour guide only.
Our boyfriend will kill us.
Tastes good.
Yeah.
So yan, malapit na tayo sa Taal Volcano. We will going to have boat ride. Yes. Mitty is really excited.
Yeah,
Look, look at the place. Is it the camera shows it? Oh. Later on, we will see the beautiful Taal volcano. Hey, Jansen.
Jason is feeling sleepy little bit.
Yeah.
Beer.
We're a little bit drunk, but it doesn't matter. We're still having a good time.
I can still manage.
We're really thankful for meeting Niti today.
People who are watching the video, they may be thinking that I met her first time. No, we have met when I was not doing the vlog or nothing. That time we also met. Now again when I am Philippines.
Thank you, Miti.
Welcome. Walang ano man.
You were passing by, surrounded by all those butterflies. Suddenly they flew right in my heart. Must have looked like a living piece of art. From that moment I knew that it would be you. Yeah, from that moment I knew it could only be you. I wrote your name up on my wall, circled in an arrow heart. Somehow you made me feel whole. I wouldn't have to be alone. No, I would never be alone. No, I would never be alone.
Excited for it. Oh, cap!
Right,
Don't
come
wear
on.
the cap.
No? I
Yeah,
don't need
without
to wear
that cap, you're looking beautiful now.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, welcome, sweetheart.
Let's go. Alright!
We are ready for the boat ride.
Yeah! Alright.
Hi. The view है यार. तुमको 2000 पैसों लेंगे. I'm telling you, it will take 2000 peso. It's worth. You should definitely come here.
We had a discount.
Yeah, she has got a bargain and everything. So that's why we are getting a discount. तुम लोगों को मैंने बोला था ये ट्रिप पे तुमको खाली फिलीपींस की मैं आइलैंड टूर कराने वाला हूँ तुम्हारा भाई. अब मस्त जगह है, मज़ा आ रहा है, मस्त ठंडा मौसम है, ऊपर से गर्म हो रहा था दिन में, अभी तो फुल चिल्ला उठना तुम्हारा भाई.
You've got what I want. Take it on. I'll be waiting for you to sweep me off my feet to a different beat. Oh, just say you want. I'll follow every sound. Just say you want. I won't let you down. So we can dance through the night. Keep it tight. You're my melody. No, we
तो अनफॉर्चुनेटली थोड़ा लेट हो गया हमको आने के लिए. शाम के 6:30 बज गए. हम लोग बैठे थे ड्रिंक्स करते करते, तो हमको वोल्को नहीं देखने नहीं मिलेगा, मगर हम गांव में आए हैं. यहाँ पे गांव के लोग से मिल रहे, थोड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. हाय. के लोग बहुत अच्छे प्यारे, आपसे घुल मिल जाएंगे, बात करेंगे अच्छा, तो फिर अच्छा लगता है. कोई भी कंट्री में जाओगे जब वहाँ के लोकल लोग आपसे बात करेंगे.